Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking for ways to boost your hair growth or improve your hair health, today's video is just for you. We're diving into a review of Nutrafol Men's Hair Growth Supplement and Hair Serum. Is it really the miracle solution for thinning hair? Let's find out. Here it is, the Nutrafol Men's Hair Growth Supplement and Hair Serum, clinically tested for visible thickness and strength. It's a 1 month supply and comes in this sleek 1.7 FL bottle. But does it live up to the claims? Let's break it down. First off, Nutrafol isn't just your average hair growth product. It's made with a blend of natural ingredients aimed at targeting the root causes of thinning hair, like stress, poor nutrition, and hormonal imbalances. The combination of these supplements and serum works to improve hair strength, thickness, and overall scalp health. Let's talk about the supplement first. It's packed with ingredients like Palmetto, Ashwagandha, and Biotin, each scientifically proven to support hair growth. You take 2 capsules daily, and with continuous use, you're expected to see visible improvements in 3 to 6 months. Now, the serum, it's got the same goal but with a more direct topical approach. The serum is applied directly to your scalp, helping to rejuvenate hair follicles and promote growth. It's lightweight, non greasy, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Personally, I've been using both the supplement and serum for about a month now. And here's what I've noticed: the supplement is super easy to take, just 2 pills a day. And honestly, I haven't experienced any major side effects so far. The serum has a pleasant, refreshing feel when you apply it to your scalp. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any residue. I've noticed my hair feels a little thicker and stronger, and my scalp feels more nourished. If you're wondering about results, I've seen visible improvements in the texture and strength of my hair. If you're patient and consistent with both products, Nutrafol promises noticeable changes after about 3 months. But even in the first month, you might see subtle improvements like less shedding and healthier hair strands. So, does Nutrafol live up to the hype? I'd say yes, especially if you're struggling with thinning hair and want a natural, clinically backed solution. The combination of the supplement and serum addresses hair growth from multiple angles, internally and externally. Both of these products are designed to strengthen your hair, improve your scalp health, and make your hair feel thicker and fuller over time. If you're serious about improving your hair health and boosting your confidence, Nutrafol might be worth trying. Make sure to give it a few months for full results. I'll leave the link to the product in the description below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Catch you next time. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Nutrafol or if you're thinking about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want more reviews, tips, and tricks, follow me on Instagram/Twitter. Insert social media handles. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you soon.